In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Kraken to another wallet. Sending USDT from Kraken to another wallet is straightforward, but you need to pay close attention to the network you use so that the transfer reaches safely. In here, in your Play Store or App Store, make sure that Kraken or Kraken Pro is updated. Now, make sure you know which network your destination wallet supports. USDT exists on multiple blockchains such as Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, and others. If you choose the wrong network when withdrawing, your funds could be lost. So this step is critical. Open your destination wallet, find the receive or deposit option for USDT, and copy the wallet address along with the supported network. Next, open the Kraken app or Kraken Pro and go to the funding or portfolio section. Select withdraw, then choose USDT from your assets. If this is your first time sending to that wallet, you'll need to add a withdrawal address. Paste the address you copied from your other wallet and select the correct network that matches it. Kraken will usually ask you to give the address a name, and it may require two-factor authentication or email confirmation before saving it. Once the address is added, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Double-check the network, address, and amount carefully, since blockchain transactions cannot be reversed. Kraken will display the withdrawal fee and the final amount your recipient will get. Confirm the withdrawal, and Kraken will process it. The time it takes depends on the network you choose. TRC20 Tron is usually faster and cheaper, often just a few minutes, while ERC20 Ethereum can take longer and has higher fees, especially if the network is congested. Once the transaction is broadcast, you can track its progress with the transaction ID provided in Kraken. Your USDT will then appear in the receiving wallet once the blockchain confirms the transfer. Always send a small test amount first if you're unsure, especially when adding a new address, so you don't risk losing a large sum. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.